About a month ago, I decided to do a minor upgrade on my home phone to the super mega digital Bluetooth Wi-Fi hi-fi widget featured internet-enabled Blu-ray retina displayed version. But actually, I miss my old phone, a heavy-duty, indestructible double-bell pulse dialing 12-pound model. So to keep it in the family, I decided to build something with it. The first step was to disconnect the Giganto Reach phone line from the phone to the handset. All we're going to use is the handset. Now we're going to unscrew the voice piece cover, and inside you'll find what serves as the microphone for the handset. Now there's a couple of small wires that go to that, and we're going to use a small screwdriver and remove the voice piece. Then we'll unscrew the earpiece and remove the small speaker inside. And then you'll probably find some cotton inside that can come out, and the two wires that go from the handset to the voice piece will also come out. Tux can play with some of this stuff, but we want to keep the earpiece and the voice piece covers. I have an Android and Apple phone, but I'm going to use my iPhone for this project, which, by the way, has a really cool case that I made at Ideal Cases. They let me try it out, so I used my YouTube background image as my case design. Came out pretty cool. Anyway, check in the description of this video for a discount for my fans so you can make your own. I placed the phone on the edge of the handset, then using a Sharpie, I made a mark around the phone. Now it's the fun part, using my Dremel with the cutting blade. It's time to cut out a slot in the edge of the handset. Go slow and carefully, and when you're done, you should have a slot that your cell phone will fit right in. Okay, before we go any further, I have to let you know that this was never really my phone. I bought it on eBay. So this voice piece is nasty. I mean, it's got breath in there and like slobber and breathing, and there's goop and it's crusty. It's gross, nasty. So I scrubbed it really well, and it came out nice and clean. Now the earpiece cover was in pretty good shape, although these small holes have to be enlarged, so I'm going to make a larger hole and clean it up, and this will give us a little bit more volume. When we removed the phone jack inside the phone, it left us with this hole, which is kind of good because I used the Dremel to make it a little bit larger. Now I can fit an iPhone USB charging cable through that hole. Then I fished it through the handset, allowing the connector to be accessed through the slot we cut. Okay, our retro phone amp is ready to be tested out. Here's what my phone sounds like normally. Now it's time to hook up the charging cable and plug my phone in the retro phone amp. It's kind of hard to tell on video, but it is a dramatic improvement. This passive amp really does boost the volume. Plus, it's kind of a cool conversation piece gadget. I don't think I've ever seen this done before. So that's how to make a retro phone amp. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.